Hi, good afternoon. This is Sangeeta. This is my next video on what is data lifecycle. So the data lifecycle is about, we all know about what is data, how it is generated, how it is utilized, and how it is actually stored, how it is retrieved. So there is a simple sequence in which the data lifecycle runs. So it has 7 phases. So the first phase deals about the data generation. Phase 2 deals about the usage of data. 3 deals about the transfer. Phase 4 deals about the transformation. Phase 5 is about the storage. Phase 6 is about the archival. And the phase 7 is about the destruction. So why am I speaking about this data life cycle now? So when we have the information and when it is available as a data, this information, whether it might be a personal information, should be managed as a part of the data used by an organization. Say suppose we have the personal healthcare information, so which includes sensitive details. So we need to protect that particular data, and you should know how it has to be stored and how it has to be securely accessed by the different stakeholders of that particular data. So pertaining to the different usage of data, there are, like, when it comes into storage and retrieval, we have key privacy concerns. So what is this? Typically we mix security and privacy, but some consideration should be done based on our awareness about auditing, monitoring, and risk management. And we all know that there are several privacy breaches that is occurring, as a result of which your privacy concerns come into picture. So how do we ensure privacy? So when it is done and when your information or the data is uploaded onto the cloud, we depend on someone called as cloud service provider. So who has the right to see and access the customer data? Even the cloud service provider can route the data, store the data, and provide the data access, but they are not provided with the privilege of visualizing what exactly the data is. So how do we ensure that? So there comes a third party auditing, and it is a separate domain which deals about how to monitor, how to perform an business continuity, and how to actually maintain this internal security process. So in that case, the main person who is